Today I'm breaking down what a bed is, what a bed frame is, and I'll show you 10 detailed bed frame design ideas you can use for DIY projects, home decor, or interior inspiration. If you love furniture ideas and woodworking projects, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. A bed is one of the most important pieces of furniture in any home. It's used for sleeping, resting, relaxing, and it usually includes three main parts: a mattress, a bed frame, a headboard or footboard, optional. Beds come in many sizes like single, twin, queen, and king. But the most important part, the part that decides the look, durability, and comfort, is the bed frame. A bed frame is the structure that supports the mattress. It keeps the bed stable, raises it off the floor, and adds style to the room. A complete bed frame includes side rails, legs, slats or a platform base, headboard, footboard, optional. Why bed frames matter? They improve comfort, protect and extend mattress life, add storage options, make cleaning easier, change the entire look of the bedroom. Now let's dive into the best bed frame design ideas you can use for your YouTube videos, DIY builds, or interior design projects. Bed frame design ideas. 1. Minimalist platform bed. His design is simple, modern, and low to the ground, with clean lines and no extra details. It gives a calm, spacious feeling. You can make it from plywood or solid wood, and it's one of the easiest DIY builds. 2. Floating bed frame. One of the trendiest designs right now. A floating bed has a hidden base, so it looks like the bed is levitating. Add LED strip lights under the frame for a stunning nighttime look. This design is perfect for viral woodworking content. 3. Pallet wood bed frame. If you live in a small room or apartment, this design is a lifesaver. It includes built-in drawers or cabinets under the mattress, great for storing clothes, blankets, and accessories. 4. Upholstered bed frame. A wooden frame covered with soft fabric like velvet, linen, or leather. It looks luxurious and gives the bedroom a cozy, high-end feel. Many viewers love this style because it transforms a space instantly. 5. Rustic farmhouse bed. Built with thick wooden beams and a distressed finish. It gives the room a warm, countryside feels. Great for interior design and makeover videos. 6. Japanese tatami style bed. A very low frame with clean, simple lines, inspired by Japanese minimalism, perfect for relaxing, Zen style bedrooms. 7. Metal wood hybrid bed. Combines strong metal and warm wood. This industrial design is strong, durable, and modern. Great for apartment bedrooms or loft-style homes. 8. Classic four-poster bed. Tall posts on each corner give a royal, elegant look. This design works beautifully in large rooms and luxury interiors. Conclusion, and there you have it. What a bed is, what a bed frame is, and the top bed frame design ideas you can use for your projects or home decor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more woodworking ideas, furniture designs, and DIY content. Comment below which bed frame design you want me to cover next, or if you want a detailed build tutorial.